Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can convert a PDF document on CloudConvert into a Word/Docs document. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is, let me go for example with that example PDF file here. You want to navigate to CloudConvert and you will need to be logged into your account. Then click into Tools at the top. And this time you will need to click into, let me find it, the document converter here, right? And then let me just remove that last conversion job here and refresh the page. So what you want to do, guys, is use the document converter. At the bottom you will see all document file types you can use as input or output, including docs, HTML, doc, and so on and so forth, including also PDF. So in the next step, you will need to select the given file from the source. Click into the drop-down menu and choose the source, like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or your computer. Navigate to the given PDF document, upload it, and now it's time to select the output file format. Hover your mouse over document. You can also go with ebook or spreadsheet, for example, for XLSX vector files. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to the document and then choose docs. Then you may go through these settings here if you like, connect hyphens, for instance, enable, disable the images OCR, and so on and so forth. If the given PDF document requires a password, then you can enter it here and then click into convert to convert the file from PDF to docs. It may take a moment, of course, depending on the file size. And then, as you can see, guys, that's the Word document with that file size so that you may download it onto your device here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.